Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. How many gold medals did India win in the 43rd World Medical and Health Games? Answer is 19 medals. Second question. How many total medals did India win in the Under 17 Asian Wrestling Championship? Answer is 11 medals. Third question. Recently, the 53rd meeting of the GST Council was held. Who presides over the GST Council meeting? Answer is Finance Minister. Fourth question. In which country is the 64th International Sugar Organization Council meeting being organized? Answer is India. Fifth question. According to the report of the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, what position will India hold in the terms of foreign direct investment in the year 2023? 15th. Sixth question. Who has been appointed as the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha? Answer is JP Nadda. Seventh question. Which country has declared a state of emergency due to the massive fire in the Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland? Answer is Brazil. Eighth question. Reciprocal exchange of logistic agreement has been approved between India and which country? Answer is Russia. Ninth question. Who is the current head of India's intelligence agency Intelligence Bureau? Answer is Tapan Kumar Deka. 10th question. In which state has India's first pilot project for underground coal gasification been started? Answer is Jharkhand. Then come to the Tripura and Northeast section. First question. This year, the consignment of queen variety of pineapples from Tripura will be transported to which state? Answer is Rajasthan. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.